Welcome back, continuing the news. With more encounters between humans and crocodiles expected because of climate change, the regulator, the National Environment and Planning Agency, is planning public awareness campaigns. This even as a baby crocodile was captured on a sidewalk on Tuesday. Giovanni Dennis has a conclusion of crocodiles and climate.
This happened yesterday, Tuesday, November 19, 2024. Damian White is trained to catch crocodiles and relocate them. He did just that in this instance.
All right.
Scenes like these are getting more common. Sightings and physical encounters between humans and crocodiles. Why? Because of climate change factors like the extreme heat in Jamaica. A study at Australia's University of Queensland found acute increases in water temperature resulted in significantly shorter crocodile dives. Their dives are necessary to avoid interactions with humans.
What does that mean? They use up oxygen more and people will see them, and we know like right now we have a crocodile problem where people are catching them.
A related second factor, drought. Floyd Green, Jamaica's agriculture minister, said the country experienced its worst drought on record between 2022 and 2023. But it wasn't just farmers who lost millions. Crocodiles were also affected and will continue to be.
Drought time, we're going to have conflicts because some of the areas are overfished. 1. 2, the area is constricted because the crocodile needs water. So when the water level is going to move over to these areas, and we're going to be having a lot of conversation like this. And it's something that we have to live with.
For example, where you have impacts to your coastal habitats, where you usually find American crocodiles, where there is a change in the ecosystem health, it will impact nesting activities. It can also impact the food resource that's available to the crocodile.
And from one extreme to the other, more common displacement factor. Intense rainfall, like what we saw during Hurricane Beryl and the Tropical Storm Raphael.
You not even have to reach hurricane, just a depression, tropical depression going up. Because all of these events bring rain. And rain means a lot of water. And what water means is some of these animals are going to displace from their normal area where they're living. And how I put this in? Portmore is a perfect example. After the rains, Nepa and some of the other environmental professionals have to put out information that look out for crocodile because they get displaced.
Sightings are not uncommon in communities near swamps and rivers. We saw this group of fishermen along the Salt River Main Road in Clarendon.
Many times still, man. But they run far away, because I don't know.
What biggest one you ever see?
Outside about.
Bigger than you?
More than that, man. Yeah, man. Bigger and long, man, boy. About 15 feet or so.
They've been fishing here for decades and are used to seeing the crocs.
They're really scared, because true enough how we are fishing. So anytime they see we, so they take out themselves.
They're prepared for the increased encounters.
We know enough people are afraid. But we as a fisherman, we're not really afraid.
We're not afraid.
Yeah, man. We go out there and to catch fish. Yeah, man.
Because we know how we can navigate.
Yeah. One of we not stay one place. Yeah, man. I'll cheer with the one part, 4 of it.
For people who are wary or afraid of crocodiles, this from Assistant Science Officer at the Caribbean Coastal Area Management Foundation, Alex Simpson.
Contrary to popular belief, the crocodiles found in Jamaica are among the most docile, if not the most docile in the world. A lot of persons have a fear of them, that they will attack them, try to kill them, try to eat them. They don't want anything to do with us, and they will try to avoid us as much as possible.
Which takes us back to where we started, the mineral bath in Salt River. Rashid searches every morning just in case.
I wake up early and I just put down my gear and just search the water.
What do you search for?
I search for the crocodile.
Okay. How often you spot it?
One of 2 times you see some down by the back because my wife have 2 business, one here and one up there. So we just make sure say the place safe, everybody can swim and the place is really lame up like that.
The National Environment and Planning Agency also does not want things to lame up. The regulator is working with international partners on community-based initiatives.
One of the programs that Nepa has been doing is community outreach. We go out into the communities on the fringe of these crocodile habitats, and we meet with persons. We would have these at schools and at community meetings, and we talk about how to interact within the space where we know crocodiles are. There is a new project that has come on board, and this is a partnership between Nepa and an international non-government organization called Rewild.
Nepa continues to warn residents not to try catching crocs if seen, but call the agency at 876-754-7540 or toll free at 888-991-5005. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News. This story was published with the support of the Caribbean Climate Justice Journalism Fellowship, which is a joint venture of Climate Tracker and Open Society Foundations.